Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Stellar from Crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your assets smoothly and securely. Stellar is a popular cryptocurrency for fast, low-cost transactions, and moving it between exchanges is easier than you might think. But before we jump in, make sure you have your Crypto.com account set up with Stellar in it, and that your Coinbase wallet is ready to receive funds. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and safety first. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Crypto.com app or website using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Here, find your Stellar holdings and select the Withdrawal option. It's usually a button that says Withdraw, or something similar, easy peasy. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Select Stellar as the asset you're withdrawing. Now, this is crucial. Copy and paste your Coinbase wallet address. You can find this in your Coinbase app under the Wallet section for Stellar. Make absolutely sure it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, you'll see a screen to enter the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw. Double-check the network. For Stellar, it should be the Stellar network. Review any fees involved. Crypto.com might charge a small network fee, so keep that in mind for your total. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor code if prompted. Now, sit back and wait. Withdrawals typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to your Coinbase wallet app, refresh your balance, and voila, your Stellar should be there. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Crypto.com support page or Coinbase's Help Center. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn Stellar from Crypto.com to Coinbase wallet. Remember, always stay vigilant with your crypto. Verify addresses and keep an eye on fees. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.